Hello. I've recently dropped my iPhone and shattered the top part of the screen. And the only way of getting this fixed, hardware-wise, would be to replace the screen. Now, I've had the screen replaced in the past, and I'm not a big fan of that. So the first thing that came to mind was if I can get a fix for it that doesn't require changing the screen, then that would be great. And luckily there is a fix. Hopefully this will help others like it's helped me. So the issue itself is that the first row of icons are unusable. At the moment, the only way of being able to click on these is to perhaps try and turn a screen sideways. Well, that doesn't work. If I wanted to use the internet, the address bar is unreachable. So that means that I have to turn it around and then type I don't know, let's say BBC, and it makes it very difficult to navigate and maneuver. So this is not a way of going forward without having some sort of fix for it. It's also very difficult when you read messages or use WhatsApp or use any of the apps in there, really. So okay, so essentially the top part, it's useless. So a fix that I've managed to figure out, thanks to our dear Google, was to change the settings so that the top part can be brought down. Oh, almost like that. So if you go into settings, so in settings we're looking for accessibility. Now this might differ on different iPhones, but essentially in accessibility you're looking out for touch and reachability needs to be highlighted, selected. Okay, so once we select that, then what we're able to do is, obviously the broken screen is not going to fix itself. It's not that good a fix, but what you can do is it allows us the option to bring the screen down so we can select the areas that we want. So for example, you can just drag the lower bit like so, and it means that the top row now comes down. You can easily select what you want. So if I wanted to go in a calendar, you can, and yeah, so you can select calendar. Again, the top area is not reachable, but you can bring that down simply by just dragging the lower part of the screen. And if you wanted to go on internet, for example, on the browser, you won't be able to directly access it. But what you can do with the fix is drag down the screen. Now the address bar is halfway through. Boom, done. So you can go to, I don't know, CNN, and it works almost as good as if the screen was well, not smashed. But ideally you just want to make sure you don't smash the screen in the first place. But otherwise, if you have done so, then this should help out. It's great for accessing a variety of different apps and everything, really. It's a great fix. Thank you, iPhone, Apple. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and bye.